Yo, what's up guys? In today's vid, I'm gonna put together a few videos from the times I filmed when I went to the beach. So I think I filmed twice out of a ton of times that I went. So that's what's gonna happen in today's vid. And if you guys can tell, I chromed out a few parts. So the pegs, low-key ugly right now, but I like the look they're giving, so I'm gonna get the prickly ones. Then I chromed out the triangle and linkage. Half the brake bracket, it's like half and half. Then I put a Magura MT5. It feels so good on quote unquote one-wheel activities, cannot say the real word. Then I got this sparkle. Oh, you can kind of see it. Ready? It sparkles back from my website, Shift Built. Then got my fork guards from my website also. And I got a rear fender from my website also. And let me know what you guys want me to polish next. I'm going like a black and chrome build. So I think I'm gonna do the stem lock. Then, oh, I also got this MX-33. If you know, you know. I got that. I have a rocker light coming in the mail tomorrow. I have a guts coming in the mail tomorrow. I have another tuner. I have a tuner coming in the mail tomorrow because the old one didn't work and I had to return it. So, what else? So I just have a ton of parts on the way. But let me know what else. I also have a ton of carbon parts coming, like this carbon, that carbon. Oh, that's kind of it. Look how nice that is, guys. So now we're gonna cue into the vid. Yo guys, look, I'm on the beach right now, on the Surron. Yo, check this out guys. Yo, what's up guys? I'm on the beach. Yo, this is crazy. Look at the water. Look at this view. Got my friend trying to get out of the sand. Yo, this is crazy. Bro. There's gonna be so many more videos like this. Stay tuned.